me?
So my name is Christina. I'm
Yeah.
from Russia. So I've been living in Laos for around 10 months
10 months.
since COVID started.
Yes.
So I stuck here. So now I'm enjoying my life in Vientiane.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what do you think about Laos in general?
Actually, I like that country because not many foreigners know about that country, but the country is very beautiful. I really enjoying being here.
In Laos here, so where have you been to?
Well, I started off from Luang Prabang.
Yes.
Then I went to Van Vieng, then to Vientiane, and in the end of December, I'm planning on going to the southern Laos to
Uh-huh.
Paksay, Champasak province.
Yes, that's my
to hometown. Wow,
yeah.
cool. So I'm gonna explore your hometown.
Yeah.
So are you from Paksay?
Yes, that's
Okay,
right.
so yeah, I'm gonna go there.
Really?
Yes, yeah.
When?
So,
When?
in the end of December.
Yeah, this month, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
So you can recommend me some good places.
Wow,
to
that's
see.
cool. So what I would recommend you to do that is first you gonna stay in Park Say, right?
Yeah.
So after in Park Say you can look around the city. It's quite a small city, but I promise you that I think that is the second most interesting city in Laos beside Vientiane. So
okay, good to
yeah,
know.
so at the evening like this, you can walk around the city and go to the Lao Japan Bridge. That's
I
kind of
see.
bridge across the Mekong River, and up next to the bridge, so you can up to the mountain we call Po Salau Mountain, which is the like you got the big Buddha over there.
view, on
the
the
big
t-
Buddha.
yeah, I
you
seen the
can
picture.
sightseeing from there around the city. Even though it's quite a small city, but I can ensure that you will love that city very
cool.
much.
That's
okay.
cool.
By its view, the people there, so extremely good food there. I think you should like rent the bikes. To be honest, like in Park Say, it's not too much to do. Just what I have said, just that's all. So beside that, you can up to Park Song, which is 50 kilometers away from
Yeah,
Park
it's
Say.
not far. Yeah.
In there are lots of landscape, a beautiful landscape there you have to explore. Like first, you have to visit the Tat Phan waterfall,
Yeah,
which
yeah,
is
the main
the
waterfall.
highest waterfall in Laos.
Yeah, cool.
In there, what you can do is zip lines across the Tat Phan river.
Okay.
After that, you can visit another like we got Tan Nyong waterfall and to see the Park Song Boloven, like the Boloven
Yeah,
Pat Cho.
yeah.
Yeah, we plant coffee. I guess that only one place in Laos that plant the coffee. We got what is two type of coffee? That's Arabica and I forgot about that.
Yeah.
But that's good coffee.
yeah,
And
I
visit
know.
the coffee farm there. You have the photo. Because back then I used to work as a tour guide. I used to bring
that's why you know everything.
So
Okay,
you know
cool.
there. So and if you love to visit the jungle, we got to visit inside the jungle. We call the what is that? The Dong Hua Sao National Park. So that is absolutely like peaceful and
Okay, cool.
picturesque, I guess, in there.
All right, I have to write down the
Yeah.
my itinerary.
Okay, back to you. So we asked you more about Laos actually. So first, absolutely. So when it comes to Laos, people will recognize us as we eat spicy food. So in terms of that, do you like spicy food?
Well, we have different level of spiciness
Yeah.
because for Europeans, for Western people,
guess
we don't eat that much spicy food. So for me, sometimes it's hard to eat Lao food. But overall, it's nice experience because you never know how spicy the food is. So it's always a surprise for you.
So have you tried like the papaya salad?
Yeah, sure. It's like very spicy. Even if you're asking just for one chili, it's still so spicy. I cannot eat it. I don't know how Lao people can eat like 5 chilies. So yeah, it's pretty spicy. Yeah.
Would like to move on to another area. It's kind of in Laos in general. So if you have chance to tell the world, so what would you tell the world about Laos?
I really fell in love with this country. I'm a travel blogger, so and I started to make my blog about Laos. So
Yes.
actually writing everything about Laos, like everything I seen, everything I learned. So actually I'm really inspired by this country, and I want to show this beauty of this country to the rest of the world because unfortunately not many people know about Laos.
Yes.
Everyone knows about Thailand or about Vietnam, but
Yes.
not many people know about Laos, and that's a big
true.
mistake because there's so many amazing places which you cannot find in Thailand or in Vietnam. So like honestly, I would recommend everyone just to come to Laos and see these beautiful sceneries.
Wow. So you just said that you are a blog writer.
Yeah,
so do you have
travel
your
blogger.
own YouTube channel or some kind of?
Instagram. For now, I'm working on my
Instagram,
Instagram,
yeah,
but
so-
in the future I'm gonna switch to YouTube as
Okay.
well. Yeah.
So if who are watching this road, they want to follow you. So how do you spell your Instagram name? It's
that's,
on here.
that's K-R-I-S.
In general, in Asia, how many countries have you been to?
Around 50. Yeah, something like that.
Really? Really?
Yeah, I'm traveling a lot. Yeah.
So, like, quite honest. So, which one is your favorite?
It's hard to say, but definitely it's Asian
Yeah.
countries. So my favorite place is Asia. It's hard to say which country is the best because every country has some unique
Their own
things.
unique,
yeah,
yeah.
So, but it's hard to say. I don't know. I like Asia, so honestly.
Okay, that's cool. Thank you for your recommendations. Okay, I guess that. So I'm really keen on to know about three sentences about Russian. Well, which three sentences would you teach me? Three
In Russian?
sentences? Yeah, Russian. The first sentence is gonna be.
Let's start off from
Yeah.
the word hello, right?
Uh-huh.
Привет. Привет.
Привет.
Привет.
Do you mind speak slowly?
Привет.
Привет. I get that.
Almost. Привет.
Привет.
Yes, that's hello. It's
Hello.
like somebody.
Привет. Okay.
Yes. Okay, next one
Second.
gonna be как. Как.
Как.
Дела.
How
Как.
do you spell? Slowly, please.
Как.
Как.
Yes. Дела.
Chila.
Yes. Как дела.
Как chila.
Yes, it means how are you?
How about you?
How are you?
How are you?
Yeah.
Как chila.
Yes, very good,
Okay,
very good.
как
Almost
дела.
late.
Okay.
So now you know.
Yeah, the last.
Last one. Well, Russian is very hard, so I'm trying to find. Okay. My name is Меня
Меня
зовут.
зовут.
Yes, Меня
Меня
зовут.
зовут.
And your name?
Yeah, меня зовут Sam.
Sen. Yeah.
Okay, what about you?
My name is Christine. Меня зовут Кристина.
Меня зовут Christina.
Yes.
Okay. But what about thank you?
Спасибо.
Спасибо.
Yes. Спасибо.
Spasibo.
Yeah.
What about you are so cute? You are so cute. So beautiful.
Okay. Ты. It means you. Ты.
Ты
Yes. Милый.
милый.
Yes. Ты милый.
Ты милый. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
forgot
There
that,
is a Russian restaurant here in the city. So if
Really?
you want.
Have
yeah.
you been trying?
Yeah, for sure, I've been there. So if you want to see more Russian culture,
Yeah.
you can go there. It's like very amazing restaurant. So
Yeah.
I recommend you to go.
Yeah. In the previous, I used to meet Russian friends here in Laos, a couple, but
Yeah, there are not so many.
Yeah, yeah.
There are not so many. Yeah, but there you can meet a lot of Lao people who speak Russian.
really.
Yeah,
I
because
guess,
they were
really.
studying in
Because
Russia
with
before.
some of my teachers, they went to
yeah,
Russia.
many,
before, yeah.
many Lao people went.
Okay.
So it's like very.
Yeah, thank you
interesting.
for today. I guess this role will be benefits for the
Mm-hmm.
viewer who are watching us, especially our fan, nearly 40,000 followers
That's
there,
cool.
and from
Congratulations.
around 5 countries.